morning, guys. It's around 8 a.m. today, and yeah, I woke up so early. Well, my early's around 7 a.m. So I'm heading out right now. It's kind of rainy, it's wet, but there's a lot of fog, so I'll just try to get some footage and let's see how this goes. Come on, join me. So I woke up early today, but in my world early is around 7 a.m. so it's around 7 a.m. I checked outside. It was cold, damp, and rainy. And the thing is, yeah, I see a lot of fog, so it's like, let's do some photos and then let's go out and take some photos out there. And yeah, it took me 2 hours to prepare, so I have a lot of gears, but yeah, I'm out right now and there's no fog. Anyway, I'm just gonna take some landscape shots, some random photos, and I'm gonna upload them up on my Facebook just for fun. Yeah. So the challenge for today is first of all getting out of the house, because it's tough to go out when it's very cold. Like, I'm so lazy when it gets cold. When we're traveling and early in the morning it's so cold, I don't go out. But anyway, the challenge for today is just to get some shots from this RX100 Mark 7. I'll try to do some landscape amazing shot, but I'm not gonna do some tripod shot because today I'm a bit lazy. But let's see, let's challenge ourselves, and at the end of the video I might post some of my shots. Oh, maybe some, but yeah, let's do this. I'm no expert, but I'll try to compose something out of that shit over there. Not shit, something out of that. I'll try to get something. I'm really blank right now, but let's see what I can get. Oh, somebody just had Coke. Is that beer? Yeah, somebody have Coke hidden there, like they were drinking maybe, or doing something bad. So absolutely no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm not really certain what my shots are. So as soon as I get home, might be crap, but yeah. So I might be doing all this talking and filming and shooting for nonsense. But anyway, it's nice to be out here than at home, because I die when I stay at home. Okay, I'm gonna change location now. I'm going back to the car, where the car's here. So let's look for other locations now. Okay, this one here, you can see the trees are black burned, because there were controlled burns for this place. That way they burn all the dead leaves, and then it's gonna prevent fires up here. So yeah, these trees are not gonna die, they're gonna stay up, and those ashes are just gonna fall off, and these trees are gonna go healthy again. So they're very resilient. So let's take photos of this, that, and whatever I can find. So I just saw two birds on top of those burned wood. The wood were cut off and they were on the tip. I think they're kookaburras. And I was taking a photo, and when I got there, no, when I took the photo, it was on 200mm on a 1-inch sensor. So I don't know how it prevails. It might be blurry, but yeah, that was cool. I Okay, there's another bird there. I'll try to take a photo of it. It's quite far. Now I know how wildlife photographers feel when they see something and it's really far and you want to take it. I can't take that shot. It's too far for me. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me just look for that bird. So that white thing there that's moving, that's the bird. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's the bird that's moving. There you go, it's flying. Okay, now where is it? Yeah, that tree looks so cool. Like when you look at it, it's so cool. It's the only one there. It's nice to take photos there, but it's kind of dangerous because you can see the bottom. There's only bits and pieces of it holding the ground, so it might fall, might be heavy, might be hollow, but it's dangerous. So hiking alone and no selfies underneath there, though I'm tempted. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I had to do one selfie and I'm too lazy to put my tripod back in the bag right now, so I'm using it as a selfie stick. So yeah, this is how it goes.